Hello everyone. So let's talk about our next question. So this question has been asked in the AIIMS Numbness session 2013. So a patient underwent Sentinel Node Biopsy for the treatment of the breast carcinoma. Which of the following nerve is likely to be injured during this procedure, right? So the options are intercostobrachial nerve, option B, nerve to latissimus dorsi, option C, nerve to serratus anterior, and the option D, that is lateral pectoral nerve. So let's try to understand. It's a simple answer. This is going to be your intercostobrachial nerve. Now let's try to understand few important things regarding intercostobrachial nerve. So this intercostobrachial nerve is basically the lateral cutaneous branch of the second intercostal nerve. It basically originated from there. So this nerve, course of the intercostobrachial nerve, it basically traverses through the axilla. Then it basically supplies the skin over the upper medial aspect of the arm, also the axilla as well. Now, why it is so much vulnerable? So that it can be injured even in case of a sentinel lymph node biopsy. Look, like the other nerve that is basically lies within the axilla, that is the nerve to serratus anterior lateral thoracic, or the thoracodorsal nerve. These nerves are basically well protected within the layers of the axilla, but it is your intercostobrachial nerve that is pretty much superficial and very much unprotected. Hence, it is most commonly injured even with any minor procedure, right? So it can be damaged with axillary lymph node dissection, sentinel lymph node dissection as well. Now let's try to understand. So what will be the clinical consequences if this nerve is going to be injured? So there is a numbness and the paresthesia typically presented over the medial aspect of the upper arm and the axilla. So that is going to be the important, and the neuropathic and the sensory pain over the axilla, that is also going to be very much important. So here the thoracodorsal nerve. Now let's talk about this thoracodorsal nerve. This nerve is going to be supply the latissimus dorsi. Now this like the survival of this thoracodorsal nerve in the pedicle is very much important in case if you want to go for the reconstruction of the breast in that case. But it basically lies in the deeper axillary structure. Within the deeper axillary structure, yes, it's a functional loss that basically associated with the impaired arm adduction and the extension in that case. Now your long thoracic nerve, which is known as the long thoracic nerve of Bell, right? It basically supplies the serratus anterior muscle. Due to the injury of this nerve, there is a winging of the scapula that is basically there. Now, it typically spared during the sentinel lymph node biopsy, but yes, in case of axillary lymph node and dissection, there is a pretty much chances of the injury of the long thoracic nerve has been there. So we need to be very much cautious while doing the axillary lymph node dissection. Now, the lateral and the medial pectoral nerve, these two nerves are basically supplies the pectoralis major and minor muscle can be injured during extensive dissection or during the. So here is the another brain teaser for you guys, right? So there is a node palpated exactly above the clavicle. Now, and the patient is basically suffering from breast cancer, right? So you are trying to do the triple assessment to assess the patient and to assess the surgical TNM staging as well. Okay, so you are able to found the patient having supraclavicular lymph node positive in presence of breast cancer. Now, here is a question for you guys. In the TNM staging, the breast cancer, supraclavicular lymph node involvement corresponds to which in staging? Okay. So, here, please do let us know what is the exactly answer will be in the comment section. And whoever else is going to or able to answer first, he or she will receive some gift from our side, right? Mastectomy, right? So here, let's try to understand. They're basically asking about a patient underwent sentinel lymph node biopsy for the treatment of the breast carcinoma. Which of the following nerve is likely to be injured during this procedure? So here, your answer is going to be intercostobrachial nerve, right?